She was a bird, I was an arrow, both of us sure we were sword and a sparrow. Still when we flew, we never knew. There in the air, I felt her feathers, first all at once, then all together. When I went through, that's when I knew. Killer is a bad thing to be. She's a giver and a giver's even worse to folks like me. Cause I never really wanna be the one to hurt somebody, but it just keeps happening. Yeah, it just keeps happening. I was never looking for her till I found her. Now I find her everywhere. She's always there. See her in my morning coffee glaring at me through the glass.